I know that you hate me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in.
Babe, you know that I can't call you normal call. And you come online, instead of me, you write me, you answer me. You don't even answer me. What are you doing that you can't even talk to me? Eh? What are you doing? Just for you to say, babe, I'm busy, oh, please. More than hours now, you are more than hours now. What do they call hours? More than 4 hours now, you are not talking to me. You just keep me silent. Don't even say anything. No problem, Sha. You can do without me, that's why. No problem.
Don't reach time where be say you go call me, now go tell me I love you, baby, again, abi? No problem.
I'm sorry, baby. Just you leave me, leave the first room. Don't leave me like 4 hours, not talk to me. It's okay, baby. I love you. You know I love you so much.